This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little garbage cans. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, Let's Unbox It, Pop Mart edition. And I have been waiting so long. I've been waiting so long for this to show up, and it finally did. And I'm so happy. Oh my God, I'm so happy. We have some Pucky, and we have the Tap Tap babies. Listen, if you don't know, Pucky is my boy, all right? Or actually, I don't even know what Pucky is. Pucky is many things, but I usually refer to Pucky as like a little fella, because I don't know, he's so fat and so just like a little fella. I don't know. I don't know what Pucky is, but I love Pucky so much. And I lost my shit when I saw these. And then, of course, this decided to take, I don't know, like 7 carrier pigeons. It just took forever to finally show up, and then it finally showed up, and I'm so excited because it showed up yesterday. I had to show restraint, which is very hard to do, by the way, but I had to show restraint not to rip this open, okay, because I am just so excited for this. So I bought the full set, and then I bought these little guys. I didn't love the full set of these. I didn't feel like I needed to have them, but I was like, I'll throw caution to the wind and get 2 of them. So I got 2 random little guys, which these are, I guess they're called pendant blind boxes, but I think these are also kind of like keychain-esque type situations. They have little Puckies on them. I think they're so cute. So you know what, let's open those first because they're less exciting than the little Pucky babies. And yeah, let's hope I didn't get a dupe, for the love of God. Anyway, so here we go. Here they are. Pucky Tap Tap babies. Ha! All right, I love wisdom. I feel like I want wisdom and wealth, or happiness, or luck, or honestly, I would be okay with just not a dupe. Obviously, that's what I don't want to do. But in just thinking of like my handbags, I usually typically have like brown handbags, and so I'm like partial to the wisdom one or the wealth one because I do love a pop of yellow every now and again. But honestly, I'm happy to have any of them. Happiness is really cute. Listen, they're all really cute. So come on, not a dupe. So let's open. I think this one's going to be, I'm going to shoot my shot. Actually, hold on, wait. One of these is going to be wisdom. I know it. I feel it. One of them is going to be wisdom. The question is it going to be this one or this one? I think this one's going to be fate. I don't know why. I just feel like it's going to be fate. Let's see if I'm right. Bitch! I fucking knew it! Okay, so they don't come with a card. But okay, first of all, okay, hold on. Oh, I feel like a little cat. Oh, I love that. Okay, so here's the deal. When it comes to like bunnies and blind boxes, they're not my favorite. I don't know why. I like bunnies normally. Bunnies on their own, adorable, but bunnies and blind boxes are kind of like, I've seen cuter. So this is the bunny one, but I'm not mad at it, but I kind of feel like I might give this to my mom. I feel like I'm gonna give this to my mom because she loves pink, and I could just see her going, ah! So I think I'm just gonna give this to her. She's cute, but I don't think I want it. I know, who the f am I? And I know there is a little pink, little Tap Tap baby. Best believe I'm keeping it because I'm a completionist and I need to have it. But I think in this setting though, I'm okay kind of leaving this to her. Plus, also kind of confused. How the f do you, oh, okay. This is kind of confusing. Okay. Yeah, kind of confusing. You know, I'm glad I didn't get the full set. I was like teetering back and forth, like, should I get it? Should I not get it? Kind of glad that I didn't because they're cute, but like, they're not that cute. Yeah, there, I said it. All right, come on. This is going to be my wisdom. If it's not wisdom, it's going to be wealth. And if it's not wealth, it's going to be happiness. Final answer. Bitch, I wasn't even remotely right because it was luck. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. I like this one better. This one is super cute, right? This is luck. Yep, blue. This one I think is cuter. But again, you know, I'm not gonna lie, it looks so much cooler online. Even watching the people on like TikTok live or whatever kind of show these off. I don't know why they look better, but like these look fine. But like, it's a lot of shit kind of going on. You know what I mean? I think I might kind of lose some of this, whatever the f this is. I think I might lose some of this. All right, you know, Hold on, I want to also verify that I got luck because it's kind of hard to tell because he looks purple, but his shit's blue. That's a little disappointing. Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, no, it's luck. It's luck. Okay. I was right. Very strange. Okay. Kind of wish I got success. That would have been amazing. Or wisdom. All right. So far my skills are not good, my psychic abilities, but that's okay though. That's fine. That's fine. Because we're here for the main event. Okay. So let me open this bitch up. Okay. I mean, I ripped the box like a maniac. I'm just, listen, it is what it is. Okay. All right. We gotta get rid of that, okay? That's just too much bullshit. These are so cute. So I got the full set. So obviously I'm guaranteed to get the full set unless Pop Mart tries to fuck me and give me duplicates, but that's very rare, especially in a full set, very rare, right? Has happened though, when they've sent me individual boxes instead of the full thing, but whatever, I'm not gonna, we've already settled that beef. Anyway, I do love the secret in this one. I kind of hope that we get the secret in this one. I'm not gonna be mad if I don't get the rabbit and instead I get the secret, but I have no idea which is the one that you lose if you get the secret. I'm not too sure, but in the event that I do get the full case, I probably will go secret hunting, but I think I might just take the fun out of it and just like target it on eBay or Mercari and just save myself the drama because, you know, buying boxes individually and then, you know, hoping for a prayer doesn't really work out for me. So, yeah, I know, not fun. But all right, I'm gonna open up, they're all so fun. I'm gonna open up this one. I think this one's gonna be happiness because I'm happy. Do you like the bags? The bags are cute. Oh, it's not happiness. This bitch is wealth. Okay, they're supposed to, okay, hold on. They're supposed to like make a sound or something, I think, right? Where's your sound bud? I think I have to take the stick out of his hand, but I don't want to take the stick out of his hand. Okay, wait. I think the stick is like sewed into him. Can I like tap him with something else? Wait, aren't they supposed to make a sound? Where's the tapping? That's not it. I'm hitting his face. What the fuck, bro? I realize how crazy I look right now. Wait a second. Hold on. Wait. Excuse me, ma'am. Hold please. No. We're not doing this. We're not doing this. Hold on. I need to verify something. Oh. It worked for 1 second. Okay, wait. Oh my, you know what helps, Theresa, if you're not a dumb bitch? Oh, that's so good, bitch. Oh. Okay, so you could technically take the stick off, but he's like sewed onto the stick and he has like a little thing. I don't want to do that. But you can do it that way though. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my God, you know what also helps when you just like open all the packaging and and you see what's in there. I had no idea. Thank you. Hey, it's Rod TV. You showed me how to do this. So thank you. Oh my God, bro. Wealth, adorable, love the card. He is so cute. He's so cute. So I'll show you in a second how to turn him on. All right, I think this is going to be fate. I just have a feeling it's gonna be fate. No, oh, it's the little monkey one. Oh my God, he's so cute. Oh, shut up. I'm sorry, ma'am. Look at the little tail. Okay, so this is what you do. You open the back. He has a little, he kind of bursts this out of his asshole. You have this little guy. Take the little strip out. So that's how it tops from the top. Okay. So then if you didn't want him in there and you just kind of want him like free balling, obviously he doesn't tap, but the whole point, okay, the whole point, right, is to have the tap. So you put this back. It's like a little pacemaker. You put his pacemaker back in, okay. Oh, I'm such a fucking moron. Okay, so when you click the button, it's off, but if you click it again, it turns on. So you could actually, if you don't want to waste the battery, you could just do that. Oh, that's so cute. Again, his little stick's attached to him, but you can use your finger. Oh, he is so precious. Ah! He's so precious. I love him. Okay, wait. Where's your card, buddy? Oh, your wisdom. Oh, your wisdom. I love that. I think he's the cutest one, to be honest with you. He's the cutest one. Oh, he's so cute. I love him. All right, so 4 more to go. My luck, terrible. I think this one's going to be happiness. Because I'm so happy. No! Oh my God, I can't. I just want to like squish you to death. So this one is cleverness, which, right? I think this is the one that matches that's the one that I got. I don't even remember the I got. Where did I get the other one? Yes, I did. Oh, so, okay. So this is the match. Kinda. Not really. Kind of. Kind of. All right, anyways, let's open them back up. Let's get that pacemaker working. Okay, bitch. Okay. All right, let's... Oh! I love you. Oh, you are so cute. Oh, I can't. I can't stand it. I can't. These are worth the wait. Very confusing. In the beginning, didn't mean to punch you in the face. But we're good now. I think this one's gonna be, all right, who are we missing? We're missing happiness, fate, and luck. Or potentially the secret. I think this one's gonna be luck. No, oh, okay. Remember when I said, oh, I don't know about this one, fate. Fate is fucking cute. Fate is cute. So here's the card. Love that. Fate is, I just want to squish it. I want to shove it in my mouth. So, I almost want to eat you. Oh, I just want to eat you. All right, hold on. Let me open them up. It never gets old. You would think, as someone who has misophonia, that I would hate this. I love it. I think because it's Pucky, I forgive it. No, wait. Kind of. Oh, this one, honestly, exceeding my expectations. This one is really, oh, maybe I should keep that pink one. This is the match to it. Oh, maybe I should keep it. Oh, Mom, I'm sorry. I think I might keep it. No, I'm gonna give it to my mom. But it does look really, I should be a good daughter and give that to my mom as well, but I'm not. Sorry, bitch. I know you birthed me. And I thank you for it. All right, I think this is gonna be happiness. Oh, I was right. Oh, he is so, he's just so cute. Again, these are the ones I just really just wanna just fucking eat them. Like, they're so cute. They're so cute. I'm gonna break a fucking nail doing this. All right, get the voice box out. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Some of the fur is a little, okay, you are a shedding little bitch. Some of the fur is different on them. The pink one and the little monkey one and the little cat, the little Welsh one, they all kind of have like little fur, right? And then you have these two that are a little bit more like cotton balls. Still equally as adorable, but definitely a little bit more sheddy. So don't love that, but not the end of the world. There's the card. So good. Okay, here's the last one. I think this is going to be luck. Yeah, we're missing luck. It's either gonna be luck or it's gonna be the secret, but I think it's gonna be luck. Oh, I can't. Oh, I love this one. Has like a long tail. Oh, the Puckies are, they're so good. They're so good. All right, let me get that voice box out. You know what's so funny? They probably did show you this in the TikTok lives and I just didn't watch or I wasn't paying attention. So I'm not gonna fault them too much. I'm just gonna fault me being a dumbass bitch. Okay. Oh, that's so good. Okay, so here is the card. This is luck. Luck is so cute. Honestly, I don't think I can rank them. I will though, but I feel wrong. I feel wrong because they're so cute, but I'm going to start with my least favorite. Oh, this is really difficult because they're all so cute, but I I'm gonna say Wealth. This one I think is my least favorite. Although I do love him. I think he's so sweet and adorable. Look at that little fella. Okay, like I love that, but I just think the other ones are kind of cuter. Actually, no. Oh, fuck. Well, last one, that's number 6. Number 5, I think my cleverness. Yes, cleverness. I do, oh. See, this is not right. This is not right, and it's not fair, and it's not cool. Oh my, Bucky. These two are so hard because they look so, they're so similar. And so I kind of, number 5, cleverness. I'm gonna say number 5 is cleverness, and then this one, number 4 is happiness. I feel so bad saying that. Now, this is where things get interesting. I definitely think luck is number 3. Luck is so cute. I really love how fuzzy and furry. It's like a giant Persian kitty. I love that. This is gonna come as a huge surprise, in my opinion anyway. Not like any of this matters, but I think this one is number 2 for me, which is so funny because this is the one that I was like, nah, I could care less. But there's something about this that maybe because it doesn't look like a bunny so much, it is, oh. I was about to say, don't embarrass me in front of my friends, don't. But I would say this is number 2. Doesn't this look like it came out of me? Ew. Doesn't it though? This is so cute. This is number 2. But number 1 though, number 1 is the little monkey. The little monkey is everything. And this one is wisdom. And bitch, I am full of it. Okay. I love this one. This isn't number 1. This is so cute. This exceeded my expectations. It was worth the wait. I don't think the little, whatever the these are, I kind of mad at myself for getting 2 of them. I don't really need this. I don't love all of this extra shit. I think if they didn't have all this extra shit on the bottom, which I know I could kind of cut off too in theory. Like I don't mind the braided part. I don't mind the Pucky baby, but like this little jingle jangles, I'm like, what the fuck is this? So I am gonna give the pink one to my mom because I'm a nice guy, but I'm not giving one of these. I'm not giving one of these little tap tap babies because that bitch could buy one herself. We'll go to Pop Mart and I will take her there, okay? But I love this though. This was really fun. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below which one was your favorite. Also, how hilarious was it that I was so stupid in the beginning and I couldn't figure out why it wasn't making a sound. I do apologize for smacking you in the head so much. But let me know. I also want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces and I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.